Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Pixel 7 step by step clearly. Unbox your Google Pixel 7 and lay out all the components. Insert the SIM card into the SIM tray using the provided SIM eject tool. Press and hold the power button until the Google logo appears on the screen. Select your preferred language from the list that appears. Connect to a Wi-Fi network by choosing your network and entering the password if required. Tap Next to continue after connecting to Wi-Fi. You may be prompted to copy apps and data from another device. Choose to copy data from an Android device, iPhone, or set up as a new device. If transferring from another device, follow the on-screen instructions to connect both devices. If setting up as new, tap No Thanks when prompted to copy data. Sign into your Google account by entering your email and password. Follow the prompts to verify your identity using two-factor authentication if enabled. Review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Choose whether to restore apps and settings from a previous backup or start fresh. Set up Google Assistant by following the on-screen instructions. Customize your device settings, including location services and security options. Set up a screen lock method, such as a pattern, PIN, or fingerprint. Add your fingerprint by following the prompts if you chose biometric security. Configure your Google Services preferences, including backup options. Once setup is complete, tap Finish to start using your Pixel 7. Explore your new device and adjust settings or download apps as desired. Familiarize yourself with the features, including the camera and customizations. Enjoy your new Google Pixel 7 experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.